Hey guys, this is Wagwan Apps, and I got a little issue with this door here. You can see, it's actually not responding at all. It's actually getting stuck. So it looks like the inner mechanism is busted in this. So we need to get this piece out. Now to get this piece out, what we first need to do is remove the door handles. And here you can see it's got no screws, but this is just a plate, so we're just gonna see if we can pop this out. Maybe a lot of handles will have screws on it, so you basically need to remove one handle at least, and there's a bar that runs through this handle all the way through this handle. Once you remove that, once you remove the bar, you can unscrew this and pull this little whatever, what did I call it, latch or whatever. I've got a replacement latch here. You can see that cost £3 from Wix. I got this one specifically because it's the closest match I could get. And all I'm going to do is, like I said, remove the handles. So if you've got no screws, that means this plate will just pop off. I'm just going to see if I can get to it. Try not to damage the door. We'll get it off in a minute when I get two hands available. Obviously I'm holding the phone. So remove this little plate. There's gonna be 2 screws here, or 3 or 4. Remove them, get this handle off. There's a bar going through. Remove the handle. Now sometimes the bar is attached underneath with, can you see that? Actually there's a Allen key right there. So what you need to do is you need to open that up as well. See if I can focus it for you there. Right in there, you need to loosen it up with an Allen key. So for example, I think I've got one here somewhere. And get the handle off. So step 1 second. Get this handle off, get the bar out. So there's a little screw here which you will need to remove as well to get this handle off. Once you do that, 2 screws, pull this out, and you just replace it with the one like I've shown you. So I'm going to try and do that now. Give me a second. So you can see I managed to get these off. They just like clip in, so I just managed to pop them off. You can see that got 2 screws. So screw number 1. In this case, the door's got like this. We're gonna get this screw out and that screw, so let me do that. So I've got the screws out, but it's still pretty stiff on there, and that's because underneath, if you look closely, there's actually let me try and zoom in on that. If you look right there, there's an Allen key. So I've got one of these, so I'm gonna try and put that in and see if we can open this bad boy up. If you look, got it in, turn that a couple of times. See if that's enough. Oh, not yet. There you go, you can see it's just starting to come out. Boom, done. Handle off, right? Keep the little Allen key bit in there so that you don't lose it. Now we've got that off. Oh, we're going to take the other side out as well. So now we need to remove the handle on the other side, and you can see here I have removed the clips, removed the panel, and I'm going to take the screws out. Same procedure again, so let's do. Once you've got the screw out, this should just slide out with the bar in place, and you can see the thing. Hold on, let me get a good view of this. You can actually see it's smashed up on the inside. So the internal mechanism is busted. You can see it's pretty much worn out all around the inside. It's broken. So the easy bit now is to get that out. And all we do is pop these 2 screws and then just pull this out, or push it from the inside through the hole and push it out. Then we can get this broken thing out, and we'll replace it with a new one we've got on the sofa right there. So let me quickly do that. So I took the 2 screws out, you can see, and then this comes out. So you can see it's pretty much smashed up. Especially if it's broken. There you go. So it should be a square hole, but all the pieces to make it a square are broken and they're on the floor right now. They just fell out. You can see them on the floor, look. All these little pieces, yeah? So what we're going to do is get the replacement. Straight swap. Straight swap. We don't need the plate, we just need the actual internal latch mechanism. So let me do that. So if we have a look, this is the old one and this is a new one, and you can see, look, it's actually a square peg for the bar to fit into, and that one is rounded and it's all the pieces that make it square broken and snapped off. So it's basically a straight swap for this one to that one. So we just, all we do is we slide it back in. You can see it's pretty much the perfect size, and you can see on the inside the hole actually lines up, and then all we do is just put it all back together again. Simple as that. So I'm going to quickly screw this all in. So you can see, if I get the door still, I screwed it back in, and it's in now. You can see actually the square hole, and what we do is put the handle in. And now we're back in business, and all we've got to do is put it all back together. So on the other side there's that one, and on this side there's that one. So we've got to put the two screws in here and here, and then the other handle back on this side, and then we're back in business. So let's do that quickly. So you can see I've put the handle, screwed the handles back on, and the latch is working fine now. If I close it, seems to be alright now. All we've got to do is just put the caps back on. Obviously you may not have caps on your handle, it depends on the style of handle that you got. So we'll just pop the caps back on this way. Like that. Oh man. Let's push them on so you can see that's on. Yep, and then the other one, same again. And then we're just going to quickly tighten the Allen key up here, which should be straightforward. Okay, so you can see we're just tightening up just to be complete. Probably didn't have to do it, but it's all good. We don't want to lose the bit. Okay, job done, sorted. How about that? Easy. It took me what? Took me longer because I'm filming it, but otherwise it would have been pretty quick. There you go, job done. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and sub the channel. Catch you guys later. Peace out.